One popular side hustle that can pay pretty handsomely is running Instagram pages. If you can build your following big enough, you can leverage your platform to make pretty decent money. The following ways to make money on Instagram will work no matter what kind of account you have, whether it's sports, memes, travel, or even just your own personal page. And some of these ways will even work if you only have a few thousand followers. So let's jump into the different ways. Number one is affiliate links. Affiliate links are special links that will give you commission if somebody clicks on your link and then purchases a product. For example, there is an Amazon affiliate program, and let's say you are a travel influencer and there is a travel pillow that you absolutely love. Well, if you post an affiliate link on your Instagram account and your followers click on it and then buy that pillow, you will get a small percentage of the sale. Another example is Fanatics. Fanatics sells sports memorabilia, so I have pretty extensive experience starting and growing sports fan pages on Instagram, and I've detailed before in previous videos how I've grown my Victor Wembanyama fan page. Well, I have posted affiliate links on that account to Fanatics and made pretty decent money linking to stuff like his jersey. And then if people buy it, I get a commission. These are just 2 affiliate programs that anyone can apply to and join, and then start posting affiliate links right away. And you don't have to have a huge following to do this. I've even made affiliate sales on an account with only around 2,000 followers. Okay, number 2 is to sell promos. So how this works is that typically a company or an individual will reach out to you and provide you with compensation in exchange for promoting something on your account. Now, in my experience, you will not start getting the good ones of these until you're at least 20,000 followers or more. And people may ask to promote all kinds of things. It could be music, it could be an account, and it could also be a product. And there are lots of different ways that you can structure the compensation for a promo like this. Typically, if you're just promoting music or somebody's account, then it will be a flat fee. However, if you're promoting a product, then sometimes you can negotiate a flat fee or a commission structure or a combination of both. And the more followers you have, the more bargaining power you'll have and the more you can charge for promotions like this. Number 3 is brand deals. So brand deals are a step above just regular promos, and often they involve signing some type of contract. Typically how these work is there's an agreement between the 2 parties and a fee or commission or both agreed in exchange for posting a certain number of times about a particular brand or product. And just to be clear here, this is different than promos because this is actual brands and companies reaching out, and it's more of a formal process and often pays a lot higher than just a regular promo. So for example, many celebrities have brand deals and they get paid specifically to post on their social media about a particular product or brand. You don't have to be a celebrity to receive a brand deal though. I have received a couple of different brand deals on my Victor Wembanyama fan page that has around 50,000 followers. Number 4 is to sell your own product. This could involve selling items by posting a link to a website on your Instagram, or it could be using the shop feature directly in the Instagram platform. And some people will sell merch this way, as well as other products that they have created. And you honestly don't need a ton of followers to be successful at this. Now, that being said, You are going to make a lot more if you have more followers, but it is still possible to sell a product to a following that falls around 15 to 30,000 followers. Okay, that is going to be all of the ways that I talk about in this video. I'm sure there are more ways to make money on Instagram, but they will have to wait for another video. Now, before I end, I would like to share a few final words of caution. Make sure that you are mindful of what deals you accept. Something that I try and think about before I accept a deal is, number one, is this a product that I would use? And number two, is this a product that would appeal to my audience? So for example, if I'm running a sports fan page, I'm not gonna do a brand deal with a makeup company because that doesn't really fit my audience very well. Even if they offer me a ridiculous amount of money, it's just not worth it because it will damage my brand. Also be mindful of how frequently you are posting promotions and advertisements. Now, people are used to seeing ads and things of that nature on social media, so if you're posting promos and ads every once in a while, that's not going to be that big of a deal. But if you're spamming ads and promos every single day, that's probably going to make your followers a little bit irritated and they may unfollow you. And the reason is because people didn't follow you to see your ads. They're following you to see the content that you are creating. So just keep that in mind as you do brand deals and sell promos and things like that. Don't just get money hungry and be a sellout. Keep in mind why your audience followed you in the first place. And then the final piece of advice is to be careful so that you don't get scammed. Unfortunately, there are people in this world that try and take advantage of others, and this is commonly done through social media. So be careful if someone reaches out to you and you're not quite sure about the offer. If it seems too good to be true, it probably is. So don't just be so desperate for a brand deal and to make a little bit of money that you end up getting scammed. And this is also especially important for your followers as well, because if you promote something and your followers end up getting scammed, you could be in a lot of trouble. All right, that is going to do it for this video. If it helped you out and provided you with value, please consider subscribing to the channel, as that really does help me out. Also, if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section down below, or feel free to send them to me on X at Jacob C. Edmonds, and I will do my very best to help you answer any questions or concerns that you have. See you guys in the next video.